fulfill what the central government says. Here, in the opinion of the central government, the applicant is a person who has rendered distinguished service to the cause of science, philosophy, art, literature, world peace, human progress. All these persons would be given the citizenship. Example, Mother Teresa, Sonia Gandhi. So there are examples for it. It may waive all or any of the conditions specified in the third schedule, because in the third schedule only they have given. Next, if you see, the person to whom a certificate of naturalization is granted under subsection 1, what does it say? The oath of allegiance in the form specified in the second schedule, be a citizen of India by naturalization as from the date on which the certificate is granted. Yes? Anyone wants to say anything? Any doubts? Any doubts? Somebody was talking. Yes, I will continue. Here, next, if you see, deprivation of citizenship. A citizen of India who is such by naturalization or by virtue under Article 5, Clause C, the Constitution, and by registration. Here, in Clause B, subclause 2 of Article 6, here it says that it shall cease to be a citizen of India if he is deprived of that citizenship by an order of the central government under this section. So, if the central government wants to remove either under this or under Article 11, it can do so, because it is the full power of the central government. So only we saw that the amendment made in 2019, it was very much contrary to the earlier laws that was existing, and many a times it was even against the contrary to the fundamental rights. Next, if you see, the registration or certificate of naturalization was obtained by means of fraud, false representation, or concealment of material facts. Second, citizen have shown himself by act or speech to be disloyal or disaffected towards the Constitution of India as by law established. So these are conditions where they can not give a citizenship to a person by naturalization, because he is a person who is being illegally doing some act, or he is falsely represented, or he is hiding certain facts. All that are the reasons. Next, see, citizens as during any war in which India may be engaged, unlawfully traded or communicated with an enemy, or engaged in or associated with or in any business, was that to his knowledge carried on in such a manner so as to assist the enemy in times of war. So why they say this? All these are very much counted, because whether the person is really willing to stay in India and willing to obey to the law of India, or he is just becoming an espionage or a spy to another nation, and he wants to indulge in an illegal activity or causing war, all that is seen. So here when you see, initially it was in grant of citizenship alone, but see, it can be either through air or through seas also. This travel might happen nowadays, because earlier when flight was minimal, or when the transport